Hello everybody, my name is Deb Rawson and I'd like to welcome you to Veterinary Science. Come on in, I'll show you around. This is our reception area. This is where we try to have our clients come in with their pets to drop off their services. And it's the first thing the clients see when they walk in the door. Pretty self-explanatory, looks just like the front office of any vet hospital that I've ever been in. And then we have our exam room in here where we do our weight checks, physical exams, taking temperatures, that sort of thing. Then here we have our grooming room with the grooming tables where we put the patients on when they need haircuts or nail trims, etc. And then we have our bathing facility here to give dogs baths. Because dogs get dirty and they need bathing. And a big treatment area where we do a lot of our lab skills and learn about pharmacy and about the bones and all different types of things that go on in here. And then of course there's the classroom. But let me tell you a little bit about the class. This is a one-year class that focuses mostly on small animals, meaning dogs, cats, pocket pets, that's like that type of thing. We don't go into cows, horses, pigs, the farm animal stuff. That's for later on. This is a class that offers no certification. That's important to know. There's the American Board of Veterinary Medicine won't allow that at the high school level. That's a college level thing. So you take this class and it's meant to prepare students for entry-level positions in vet hospitals. There's a combination of things involved in veterinary science. There's the medicine, there's the anatomy, there's medical terminology, which is very important. It's like the language of our field. There is learning how to work as a team with people that maybe you don't know or you don't like, but we do pull together and we do a lot of teamwork and team building. We have to learn how to safely and humanely handle animals, which is the most important part of our job. And I have a lot of experience in veterinary hospitals. I've been a licensed technician for over 25 years, and I have small animal, large animal emergency experience. I have surgical prep, surgical assisting, radiology. I have a whole wide variety of experiences that I would love to share with you and give you just a little bit of an insight as to what this field entails. There's all kinds of places you can go with a background in veterinary science. You don't have to limit yourself to working in a vet hospital. Any place where there are animals, any place where there are veterinarians, there can be a place for people like us. So it's really important that I try to teach you as much skill as I can so that you can decide if this is the right field for you, because it does take a special kind of person to dedicate their lives to working with animals who are not always friendly and are not always cooperative and not always savable. So there's good times and sad times, and there's a lot of reality checks that have to go on, and I try to keep things very real and not sugarcoat things. So our class is usually full of like-minded people who want to know more about animals and what makes them tick, why they act the way they do. So I'm excited to get the chance to meet you and have you come into this space and soak up all the information that I have to give you. The class is taught with a combination of lecture, textbook, there's some online coursework that needs to get done, there's hands-on skills whenever I can provide the animals to make that happen. My own dog, Peace, comes on lab days, and she's my teaching assistant, and she will teach you skills like how to take a temperature, how to use your stethoscope to get a heart rate, how to get the physical exam skills that you need, and all of that. So hopefully you'll get a chance to meet her in the fall. She's taken the summer off, of course, because she deserves that. But I really look forward to having y'all come into this space so that I can work with you and teach you and get to know you and your pets and help you learn how to take better care of them. So contact me through this Google Classroom if you have any questions or concerns, and I will be in touch with you the same way throughout the summer. So until then, I look forward to meeting each and every one of you. Thank you.